Real number is a number which can be represented on number line, or every point on the number line corresponds to a real number. Thus includes all integers, negative integers on the left hand side of 0, positive integers on the right hand side of 0, as well as negative and positive decimals and fractions. It also includes terminating decimals such as minus 1.7, non-terminating and repeating decimal such as 2.333 and so on. We know what is the next digit which is going to come here, and that's the reason we call it as non-terminating and repeating decimal. And also non-terminating and non-repeating decimals such as root 3. Now the value of root 3 is 1.732058080, and also pi, the value of which is 3.141592653. But please be aware, you don't have to remember such long values. Okay, so it's just sufficient if you know these values till 2 places of decimals. All right, now the complete set of all these numbers, we call it as rational numbers and irrational numbers. We will study about these two numbers more in detail in the later lessons. Now when GRE tells you number, right, it means it could be any real number. It could be a positive number or a negative number, zero or fraction or decimal or any integer. Now if the test tells you that it's a positive integer, that means it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If it tells you it's a negative number, is a negative integer, that means it can be -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. But if it tells you that number is a non-negative integer, that means it has 0 as well as all the positive integers. So what does it like? What does we conclude from here? That 0 is neither negative nor positive. And this is something very important which is tested on your test.